So we're kind of breaking from our normal thing, actually talking, because this is an audio recorder. So here we go, unboxing. So anyway, this is the Zoom. It's the H4N Pro audio recorder. And we picked this up at Best Buy. It's around $200, $199. And well, we thought, you know, we wanted better audio quality and for on the road and different things. And so here we are. So it's nice and hefty. It's got weighs quite a bit. You know, substantial feeling. So we open it up here and let's see. So it comes in this nice, you know, it's not as elegant as Apple, but it's still very nice. It comes in a nice built-in case.
That is
really,
nice.
That is really, really nice.
It's a formed plastic.
Yeah, it's formed plastic, so I don't want to mess up my...
I don't care about nails. Wow.
And it's nice.
It's really nice.
It's very, very nice. It feels durable to the point. It's got a headphone jack, remote volume. It's got a USB port, a hold, and power. It has got these dual mics here. Actually, I think there are 2 mics in each one, so a total of 4 mics. On the bottom, you have these XLR connectors in the bottom to plug in external mics. Let's see, you have SD card goes in here. You have a record level, a menu, and your little selector here. Looks like you rotate and you push in. And it came with batteries.
Right, so we don't have to charge anything.
So we don't have to charge it.
You're absolutely right. So let's take a look at how batteries load in.
Yeah, so it's 2 AA batteries. That's it. Which is nice because if you're on the road.
Now I know this for a fact. USB power banks will drive this thing.
Okay.
So if you're doing a long shoot, what a lot of people do is to load up a couple of USB power banks and just use a...
Okay, so the USB port will power it.
Yeah.
So you don't have to use batteries, which is
right.
nice.
But the battery bank, so I was thinking about when we build the rig, the battery bank would be a part of that, like design, you know. And I'm noticing this is a nice normal thread.
Yeah, it has a tripod thread on it. Has 2 of them. Oh, there's a point for an external mic for a 1/4 inch mini plug microphone input, and the XLR at the bottom. Okay, there's a built-in speaker. Exactly. So, and you have another microphone input here. And let's see what other beautiful things you have on here.
Where's the headset jack?
Right inside. Okay, so we're back now. So we have now we've got the manuals and everything out. So it uses a standard SD card, not the micro SD, which surprised me. And it just goes in the side slot here. And slides that on in. The manual is pretty thick. It's quite hefty. There's a lot to this manual. And this is all English. This is not multiple languages, so there's quite a bit to this unit. It does time codes and everything else, so this is useful for on the field. Actually, I'm going to use it on Monday for a client for the voicemail system and their phone system. And we're also going to use it here afterwards to put some audio into this video. So we'll turn it on, and let's see. Okay. You have the mic here, the built-in mic one. You have the 2 mics on the bottom. And so it's kind of nice to be able to select which input you're using. You can also select if you're doing stereo or 4-channel. So that means you can record a lot. Alright, so I haven't read the instructions on this yet, so I'm going to kind of guess on how to use it. Okay. So I'm going to hit record.
Okay.
And let's see. And now we're recording. So it works like you put in record mode and the controls work. So now it's recording me, and we can play it back if we want. See how it sounds.
Why don't we also, let's take a minute, and we're going to bring the clapboard up here.
Okay. So there we go. So now when I'm speaking, it's now what you hear through here. So we switched audio tracks by now. and our wonderful editor over here is going to do a beautiful job in synchronizing this. So this unboxing was a little bit of a surprise. So we thought we had to charge this, but so it's kind of unscripted, but I think you kind of get the feel for this device, and we're going to learn more about this, and we'll be back.
Yes, I think, you know, we might do a follow-up, you know, after we use it in the field for a couple of days.
Yes, definitely so. Because we're using the field on Monday. So yes. Thank you.